problem, we are given 3 conditions here. Now, based on each condition, you need to find out the number of words with or without meaning that can be formed using all the letters of the word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated. Let's see the solution of this problem, how we shall proceed with this. Given word is Monday. This word consists of 6 different letters. Now, let us move on to the first part of the problem. The number of 4-letter words that can be made using all the letters of the word Monday with or without repetition is equal to the number of arrangements of 6 different objects taken 4 at a time. So this is equal to 6p4. This can also be written as 6 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial. So this is equal to 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. So this is equal to, this 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon this 2 factorial is 2 itself. Now we can cancel out this 2 here. So what we are left with? We are left with 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. So this gives us 360. So this completes the first part. Now let us move on to the second part of the problem. In this part, it is given that the number of words that can be formed using all the letters of the word Monday at a time is equal to the number of arrangements of 6 different objects taken all at a time, that is all the 6 at a time, which is equal to 6p6. So this is equal to, we know that 6p6 is 6 factorial. So this can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which gives us 720. So this completes the second part. Now let us move on to the next part of the problem. In this question, it is given that all the letters are used, but the first letter is a vowel. That means the number of vowels in the given word Monday is equal to 2. Since it is given that the first letter is a vowel, this first place can be occupied by any of the given 2 vowels in 2 ways. Now, any one of the 2 vowels has already occupied the first place. With the remaining 5 letters, these 5 places can be filled with 5p5 ways. Therefore, the total number of words that can be formed whose first letter is a vowel is equal to 5p5 into 2. So this is equal to 5p5 can be written as 5 factorial into 2. So this is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2. So this is equal to 240. So this completes the third part. With this, we have come to the end of the solution of this problem.